A suspension of yeast cells is to be filtered at a constant filtration rate of 80 liters per minute. The suspension has a solid content of 50 kg per meter cube of suspension. The yeast cells have a bulk density of about 850 kg per meter cube. Laboratory studies indicate that the specific cake resistance is 35 meter per kg and the viscosity of liquid is 2.8 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 kg over ms. The filter has an area of 0.2 meter square and medium offers negligible resistance. How long the filtration rate can be maintained before the pressure drop exceeds 1.5 Pascal? Next, what is the volume of the cake collector? Finally, what is the volume of filtrate collector? So this is the problem we're gonna solve. So first, given bulk density is equal to 850 kg over meter cube is equal to 850 kg over meter cube, that is 850 kg occupies 1 meter cube, and the suspension has a solid content of about 50 kg per meter cube. Therefore 50 kg would occupy some volume. So we're gonna find the x. X is equal to 50 by 850 into 1 meter cube, which is equal to 0.0588 meter cube. So the solid volume is the x, which is equal to 0.0588 meter cube, and the total volume is 1 meter cube. That is to be taken as the basis. Therefore liquid volume would be 1 minus x, which is equal to 1 minus 0.0588 meter cube, which comes around 0.94118 meter cube. This is the liquid volume. So the cake density given by Cs, which is equal to cake mass, that is the solid mass by the liquid volume. So the solid mass given in the question is solid content of 50 kg over meter cube. So 50 kg divided by the liquid volume. Liquid volume we found out to be the 50 kg occupies 0.94118 meter cube. So 50 over 0.94118 is equal to 53.125 kg per meter cube. So we got the value of Cs, right? So other data are specific cake resistance alpha is equal to 35 meter per kg and mu is equal to 2.8 into 10 power minus 3 kg over ms. The filter has an area A is equal to 0.2 meter square, and the filter medium resistance Rm is equal to 0, it is negligible resistance, and the constant rate filtration Q is equal to 80 liter per minute, or we can write it as 80 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 over 60 meter cube over second. 80 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 meter cube over 60 seconds, and it has been given the pressure drop exceeds 1.5. What is the filtration rate that can be maintained before the pressure drop exceeds 1.5? So delta P should not exceed 1.5 Pascal. So we need to find the rate of filtration, how long, that is the time of filtration, and the volume of cake, and the volume of filtrate collector. So by Darcy law, Q is equal to A delta P by mu Rm plus resistance of cake. Here Rm equal to 0 and R cake is equal to mu alpha Cs Qg over area. That is the R cake. Therefore, and since it's a constant rate filtration, Q is not is equal to dV over dt. So this formula becomes Q is equal to a delta P over mu Rm plus mu alpha Cs Qg over area. Substitute Rm equal to 0, we get a reduced expression. Q is equal to a delta P by mu alpha Cs Qg over area, where T is the time of filtration, so I replace T by Tf. So just keep delta P on one side and rearrange the term, so we get mu alpha Cs Q into Q square into Tf divided by A into A square. This gives the expression for delta P, and here delta P should not exceed 1.5 Pascal. So automatically this expression equates to 1.5 Pascal. Just substitute the value of mu 2.8 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 and the alpha 35 and Cs, which we have calculated 53.125 times Q. Q is 80 into 10 raised to the power negative 3 over 60. Just square the term, and the area, filter area, 0.2 meter square. So 0.2 square into time of filtration should not exceed 1.5. So this whole term is equal to 2.3138 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 times Tf, which is less than 1.5. Just keep Tf on one side, divide 1.5 over this value, we get 6,482.6 seconds. Tf in minutes. Therefore Tf would be around, just divide the value by 60, so it comes to be 108.04 minutes. Therefore the time of filtration Tf is equal to 108.04 minutes. What is the volume of filtrate? Volume of filtrate Vf is equal to Q times Tf. So Q is 80 liters per minute. The filtration time is 108.04 minute. So the volume of filtrate is around 8,643.2 liter. So Vf is equal to 8.64 meter cube. So Vf, that is volume of filtrate, 8.64 meter cube. Now find the mass of cake. So cake mass Cs times Vf. We found Cs to be 53.125 kg over meter cube times Vf we found to be 88.64 meter cube. Just multiply the value, we get the mass of cake to be 459.17 kg. So we know the density bulk equal to 850 kg per meter cube, which is equal to the cake mass by volume cake, which is equal to mass of cake by volume of cake. Therefore just cross multiply or interchange, we get the volume of cake to be mass of cake 459.17 kg over 850 kg times meter cube, which came around 0.5402 meter cube. So the volume of cake is equal to 0.5402 meter cube. Thank you.